Point of order, Madam Chair. Yeah. I really don't want to make a point of order, but I would find it unfair on the part of the administration being wrongly accused na maraming mga programa sa kalusugan ang tinapyasan. Mr. Chair, the figures is not correct.
Madam Chair, point of order.
Madam Chair, I'm
Madam
having
Chair,
a
yung
point of
binabanggit
order.
po, hindi po siya isang point of order.
Yeah.
Order is about yung proceedings natin, yung paano natin
No, Madam
pinapagano.
Chair. Hindi po totoo
That is an
yan.
interjection kasi facts po yung pinapresent, Madam Chair.
Yeah, Madam Chair, you can make a point of order if the figures being presented is not correct. Because this is a budget briefing. Hindi po pwede na meron tayong drama na pinapalabas natin na lahat ng programa ng kalusugan ay tinapyasan and making the administration look back where in fact it is not true. You have to compare
Madam
left
Chair,
versus no.
Madam
So
Chair,
with that,
point
Madam
of
Chair,
order.
I move that the interpellation of the Honorable Manuel be stricken off the records. So move, Madam
Chair.
Chair.
1 minute suspension.
Madam Chair,
Ayun, sinuspend.
have we resumed hearing? Muna?
Yes, we did.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Madam Chair, nag-resume na ba tayo, Madam Chair?
Hindi pa po.
Kinompare naman yung ngayon siya kayong proposal, di ba?
Hindi kasi hindi nila kinumpare apples to apples. Kaya mukhang binawasan.
Merong tinapyas.
No.
Later.
Kasi kanina pa akong umaga rito Madam Chair. Kung ganito ang mangyayari, abutin na naman ako ng alas 11 mamayang gabi. Just like the DOTR. Now, let's settle the issue. Bakit nyo
Yes, we
pinapayagan
will.
yung point of order?
We will be
Yes,
clarifying the
please
rules.
let me finish, Madam Chair. Because our rules state specifically kung ano yung point of order and when it is going to be raised. Di ba? Kasi ina-allow nyo But if I read section 103 of our House rules, and I would like to quote, a point of order is a privileged question that raises a violation of the rules in relation to the matter under discussion on the floor. A motion to read any part of the rules is equivalent to a point of order and takes precedence over any other motion other than a motion to adjourn. Yun po ang rules natin. Dapat yun ang sundin natin.
Thank you for clarifying the rules. Actually, that is what we are going to clarify. The point of order will, as mentioned, only be on the ruling and violation of the rules. Parliamentary. So, and with that, and because there is a pending motion, Honorable Garin, will you?
Thank you, Madam Chair. After conferring with our good colleague, I actually withdraw my point of order with the assurance of the Chair that the data that were mentioned will be corrected. So the wrong data that will be mentioned will have to be stricken off the records.
Madam Chair, question of privilege. May I be allowed to speak?
Honorable Raul Manuel.
Yes, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, I don't see the point na may mga ipapatanggal po tayong facts and data kasi, Madam Chair, wala pa kong isa-cite na data kung hindi ito yung proposal na nasa National Expenditure Program. Second, Madam Chair, gusto ko lang
Let
mag-object.
me just clarify everything. Let me just clarify. According to the rules from the appropriations, it is correct that we cannot interject. So,
I had a point of order, Madam Chair.
let me just clarify that. Okay?
So no, Madam Chair, so no interjection
No
is allowed.
interjections.
Just a point of order.
Yeah, so I had a point of order, Madam Chair, pending motion.
Yes, Madam Chair, since my interpellation was referred to, then I would like to express that I object to the striking out of my interpellation, since for several agencies po, that's how we as young people compare